To purchase and transfer Solana to a Phantom wallet using Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the script option at the bottom of the screen. Tap the search icon in the top right corner and search for Solana in the search bar. Then select it from the search results. Buy the Solana by clicking the Buy button, entering the desired investment amount, and reviewing the transaction before swiping up to submit. Once the purchase is complete, open the Robinhood app again. Go to the script option and find the Solana under the Holdings tab. Click on it. Then scroll down to the Send and Receive options and select Send. Enter the amount to transfer to the Phantom wallet and continue. Then choose to enter the wallet address manually. Open the Phantom wallet, select Solana, and click the Receive button to obtain the wallet address. Copy the address, return to the Robinhood app, and paste it into the designated area. Review the transaction summary carefully. Then click Transfer to complete the process. This will transfer the Solana from Robinhood to the Phantom wallet.